Yeah. Big talk from a small space, and let's get something clear real quick. Listen, yeah. You a cleaner worker with a plan going nowhere. Funds all gone, still acting like you own here. Use people's sound, but your name got no pull. And all that grime you conceal, like expose it in full. Punch in, punch out, still stuck in the same spot. Loud on the net, but in person your tone drop. All that leader talk, nah, that's pretend play. Whole crew starred, ain't nobody getting paid. You collect talent, but you drain what they bring. Take from their vision, never help them build a thing. Every drop sound like you begging for a look. Only throw shade when it's women that you push. You a cleaner worker with a plan going nowhere. Funds all gone, still acting like you own here. Use people's sound, but your name got no pull. Know that grime you conceal, like expose it in full. Weird energy in the way that you slide. Whole circle shady, yeah, they all on your side. Talk heavy online, but you fold when it's face. All that fake control fall apart in the day. You don't lift queens, you just break down they base.